What's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make gluten-free brownies without sugar or chocolate, for which you require half cup plus 2 tablespoons of oats, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and salt, half a cup of melted butter or oil, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.